Hi, in this video you are going to learn how to add a manager to your YouTube channel. So all you have to do is click on your channel icon, switch to YouTube Studio, click on settings down here. When this happens, you're going to see this dialog settings box, and here you should be able to see permissions. Then you can invite someone. Here you can just paste their email address and also the role. You can choose if you want them to be editor, or all these you can choose from here. Maybe you want them to be the manager. Click on add, and so you can save. When this happens, you are going to have to confirm that this is you. So you click on next and enter your password and log in to confirm that it's really you. When that is done, you'll be taken back. Now, when you come here, you are going to see that when you check the permissions, this is still pending right now because this hasn't yet accepted. They have to accept the invitation as the manager. When they check their email address, they'll see the invitation to access the channel. When they click on this, they'll see this invitation politely invites them to accept the invitation to manage Kukwatu channel. So they can click on accept. When they click on that, they will be able to see a message that says this is successfully done. And so they will be able to see a pop-up message that says ready, channel Okukwatu. Your rule, you're the manager. So just like that, that's how you can add a channel manager to your channel account. Maybe you want someone to be managing your channel for you. This is how you can add them. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.